I had been researching Italy for the last probably 3 years. I looked at different places on the mainland, and then we discovered Sardinia in the spring of this year. And we rented a car, and my friend and I, Cindy, went around the entire island.
He was focused on a couple of areas, but I'm probably a little more conservative and wanting to see more of the different communities and the areas and getting to know more about the people. When we got here, we fell in love with the area, but we also found the community, the weather, really what our focus was, and that's why we ended up here.
Siamo venuti ad ammirare il tuo lavoro.
Ah, è un bel lavoro, eh. Un po' faticoso, ma un bel lavoro.
It's the quality of life, I believe. It's, yes.
Qualità di vita.
Sì, qualità di vita.
That's why I want to spend more time here, not less time.
Per quello lui vuole rimanere più tempo qui per godersi anche questa vita e diventare
Certo,
grande,
io lo ospito
sano.
qui, eh.
Come to work for him.
Lo ospito qui.
I like it here because the food, the people, the sights are unlike what I get in California. It's a wonderful, it's the pace of life, it's the quality of life is what it's all about.
È una terra che ti porta a diventare centenario, quindi vuol dire che
But on the
in
other
qualche
side
modo...
you become...
What I'm seeing and learning about the Blue Zone is how important it is to have exercise, quality of life, less stress, better food, and more sense of community.
I like the quality of life here, the pace of life. It's quite impressive.
Il nostro obiettivo reale è quello di portare delle persone nel nostro territorio e quelli di fargli vivere delle sensazioni e delle emozioni che noi proviamo regolarmente, e con questa forza cerchiamo di essere altrettanto capaci di trasferirlo ai nostri clienti.
I think that a lot of American people are very stressed today with their life in the big cities, and so they are looking for small villages like we have here in Sardinia, where there's slowing down, there's no stress. It's a high quality of life you have here in these small villages near the sea. And that's this dolce vita in Italy, which American people appreciate a lot.
Io almeno ce l'ho messa tutta anche come passione, mi è costata un po'. Tutti me lo dicono, oh, ma chi te lo fa fare? No, vabbè, chi te lo fa fare? Non me l'ha fatto fare, nessuno mi ha obbligato a farlo. Però ci ho creduto, anche per onorare chi c'è stato prima di noi, che chissà cosa ha sofferto.
Intanto adesso lo stiamo facendo vedere anche ai nostri amici americani, che quindi divulgheranno con piacere quello che è la loro esperienza,
Mi fa
anche
piacere.
Culinaria, perché poi assaggeremo qualcosa.
Certo, abbiamo preparato qualcosa.
Bah.
In ristorante non la trovo. Ti dico solo questo.
The animals were amazing. It was surprising to me at how accustomed they were to people. But the experience with the shepherd, he had his heart and soul into the animals, and it was his life, and it was an incredible experience.
That was a once-in-a-lifetime experience. I feel like I couldn't have experienced that even if I were to hire a tour guide, because it was so amazing to meet the people that live on the land, that work the land. Just unlike, we don't have anything like that. So it was quite impressive.
I think Americans are trying to become more conscientious about organic foods and organic living, but it's all here. You don't see chemicals. You see, beautiful produce and wonderful meats without preservatives, and I think that's the important part of being here versus being in the United States.
Questo prosciutto è di Urzulei, prego. Questo maiale è nato qua, allevato qua e stagionato qua. Il resto non lo diciamo perché.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers.
I think it's really an undiscovered paradise in this world. One of the secrets of the Blood Zone is also that the people becoming 100 years and more because of their daily activities, because they are walking a lot in the villages. Maybe they don't have the lift, but they are doing the stairs.
That was pretty special to see a woman that is very still active. She gets up, she moves, she walks, she's not bedridden. She had a great, from what I could tell, she's very engaging, very, very sharp woman, and her family was great. I mean, they were very generous to allow us to come into their home.
That woman was incredible. She has family that is so close to her, and I think that's so amazingly different than what we have. We have a tendency to take our old people and push them away rather than having them come back to your family.
E com'era la sua vita da giovane? Cosa faceva?
Da giovane?
Sì.
A lavorare, andare agli altri paesi a vendere e a fare e a pensare alla famiglia che c'era in paese.
A prescindere da quelle che sono le nostre azioni legate all'edilizia, spingiamo sempre di più su quello che è l'emozione del luogo. Infatti la nostra ricerca con la nostra clientela è in primis la sensibilità delle persone.
We met Marto and Eva, and they were just fantastic. They had this project underway, and it had everything we were looking for.
One of the first things that I noticed about them was that they had a higher standard than most of the other all of the other real estate agents that we had met. There was a sense of trust and honesty that we felt was very important.
It was the close proximity to the ocean. It was a small community.
They called us before, and then they came. We meet in our office in Sardinia, in Tortoli, and they decided to buy an apartment with us. And then the 6 months, we were finishing the building and furnishing for them. We had a very good relationship and communication nearly every day. And I think we have same values. It's very important for them, the person, the relationship with the person.
We felt that they had the connections, they knew the people, they understood the standards of living here, and that's what we wanted.
It's a really good relationship. They're friends in America.
Il lavoro che noi facciamo lo facciamo sia chiaramente per dare un prodotto di un certo livello, è fatto completamente da persone locali.
extremely happy with my home in Sardinia. Everything, it meets our needs. The size of the home, the location of the home, the finishes of the home, the neighborhood surrounding the home.
Eva was very good at sending us videos and photos of the progress and what was going on. But I felt it was very important to come to make sure that everything was perfect. And she said, oh yes, absolutely. The key will be in the door. You go see it, experience it, and then let me know when you're ready. That gave me a very warm sense of comfort that it was going to be what we were expecting.
Noi ci ispiriamo a migliaia di anni della nostra cultura e cercando di dare la giusta e dovuta modernità.
My dream is to realize for a lot of American people the dream of a seaside home in Sardinia, because I think it's such an undiscovered paradise, it's such a special place that I really want to discover it a lot of American people. And yes, that's my dream.